In this video, we're going to learn how to paginate a PDF. As well as adding page numbers, you can also add the date or other custom text to a specific range of pages. To add pagination to a PDF, click on the Tools tab and click on Edit. Click on Header and Footer and select Add. Decide where you want to add the pagination, for example, whether in the header or footer, left, right or center of the page, and click into that window. In this example, I'm going to click into the right footer text window as I want the pagination to appear in the bottom right corner of the page. Click on Insert Page Number. A page number field will appear in a window and a preview will display in the preview area. To edit the text, select the font, size and color of your choice. You can also adjust the margin area of the page number so that it's clearly visible. To select a specific page range to paginate, click on Page Range Options. For this document, I don't want to paginate the first page, so I'll select the pagination to start from page 2. You also have the option to choose whether you want to only paginate odd or even pages. Once you're happy with the selection, click OK. To select a different page number format, you will need to select the format first. Make sure the window where you want the page number to appear is empty. Click on Page Number and Date Format and choose from the various options from the Page Number Format drop-down list. For this example, I'm going to select 1/n, which will display the page number it's on, followed by the total number of pages in a document. Once you're happy with your selection, click OK. Click on the window where you want the page number to appear and click on Insert Page Number. Now the page number will display in the format you've chosen. Format the page number to your liking and once you're happy, click OK. Now the pagination will appear on the page ranges you selected. To edit an existing pagination, click on Header and Footer, select Add and click on Replace Existing. Acrobat will automatically delete the existing pagination. I've decided to include the default page number instead of the one I chose earlier. To add an additional pagination alongside an existing one, click on Header and Footer and select Add, then click on Add New. This will ensure that you keep an existing pagination and do not override it. It also allows you to format the text differently. I want to add a date in addition to the page number to the bottom left-hand page, so we'll click in a left footer text window. To choose a specific date format, click on Page Number and Date Format first and choose the format you want to use from the drop-down list. Once you're happy with your selection, click OK. Click on Insert Date to insert the date and format it to your preference. You can also manually amend the date fields. For example, if you want the full year to apply, type YYYY. It's important to know that as the date is a field code, it will automatically update to the latest date whenever it's opened, just as the page numbers will update if a page is deleted or added. To add a fixed date which will not update, enter a custom date by typing in the window. Once you're happy, click OK. Now the additional pagination will also appear on screen. To remove the pagination, click on Header and Footer and select Remove. Click Yes to permanently remove the header and footer information. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more.